Hi Charlie, I heard the timing belt of this car was replaced, but after that they couldn't start the car. Is that true?
Yeah, exactly. Basically, one of our local mechanic done the timing belt for this car. This is the Peugeot Expert 2-liter engine 2020. They done the timing, water pump, cam chain, everything. Then after that, they try to start the car. Car start, and after 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, car cut off. Then again they start, cut off, start, cut off. That's why the problem. This is 2020 Peugeot Expert. So after that, they call me and they ask what's going on. To be honest, first of all, I thought they done something wrong with the timing, but they 100% confirm they did it right. They did it right, right. Okay. Then after that, we recovered car this morning to the my garage because the sometime my computer need to online support. So, however, I asked them to bring it in. Even I couldn't check the timing. Then after that, I done small thing. Have a look. Basically, what I did, I went to the this is my the launch computer. I have many computers. Yeah, ignition on. I'll show you. I already done the job. I'll show you what we did. Basically, in meantime, I forget to tell you. They said it has a faulty code P2291. They text me and it say starting monitoring high pressure fuel circuit fuel pressure, something like that. P2291. So I asked them to bring it in the car. Basically, sometime I need online support for the like this problem. However, I checked with the computer how about the timing. I couldn't check it, but finally I asked them what they done after the replacement. They said they didn't do anything with the computer. Then I checked the lot of faulty code there. I reset all faulty code. Then after that, I went to the under the engine management. I'll show you what I did. It's not the rocket science. That's why I ask always to follow the latest thing, follow the courses, go to the mechanic shows. Then we can get lot of details like this because people know what they are doing, but they are not up to date. That's why the most common problem we had to go to the under engine management. Then it's depend on your computer, but according to this computer, I'll show you because the latest cars, what you did, you need to feed to the onboard computer. You done it. Then after that, it's okay. I'm going to the special function. This one. After that, parts, spare parts. This is the one very important. Have a look. Then after that, we have to select fuel, work on an intake circuit, work on emission control, work on engine. Right. I'm going to the work on the engine. Once you go to the engine, replace flywheel, lot of things, clutch, alternator, whatever you change in new cars, we have to feed for the onboard computer. You done the job. Then after that, they relearn the value. You can see here replacement of the timing belt. You need to click this one and follow the instruction. I am not going to follow the instruction because I done it. Now have a look. The car. Boom. Car start. Before, when you start, after 5 seconds, car will die and the no raving with the accelerator. You can see now vehicle has a full power. Before, even the rave the pedal is not raving. However, after 5 seconds, car die again. Start, die. That's why the problem very easy. They done the hard job, but they are not aware of this problem. All latest cars these days, whatever going wrong, go to the computer, have a look because some cars has a security gateway. Very difficult to go through that one. You have to take a token and go ahead. But I have all gears. If it's something not right, always contact me. I'll help you. I feeling you know something new today. Thank you. That's why I'm sharing because sometime they said they checked the online, they couldn't find anything for the what's going on for this car. That's why they came to me. Now, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do. All under your control. I mean, all under control your computer. Okay, thanks for watching. See you with the next video.